Okay, so today we're talking about the scientific method, which is basically the universe's version of don't jump to conclusions, you gremlin. Humans are great at assuming things, like my phone is slow because it hates me, or the toast fell butter side down because the universe is petty. But physics doesn't do assumptions. Physics demands proof. Step 1, ask a question. Example question, why does this ball fall? Step 2, make a hypothesis, a fancy word for educated guess. Hypothesis, it falls because gravity pulls it. Okay, nerdy, reasonable. Step 3, test it. If everything falls the same way, your hypothesis gets a glow up. Step 4, collect data, the math part. This is where equations show up and scream at you. Translation, D equals how far it falls, G is gravity, T is time. Yes, the universe uses math. No, it doesn't apologize. Quick example, if something falls for 1 second, distance equals half of 9.8 times time squared. That's 4.9 meters, which means if you drop your phone in 1 second, it falls almost 5 meters. This is why screen protectors exist. Step 5, conclusion. If the data matches, congrats. Hypothesis promoted. If not, back to step 1, scientist. Boom, that's the scientific method. Not guessing, checking if your guesses survive reality.